I'm just going to show you how to take this wiper arm off. What is it? There's a little button here, like a little tab. Can you see it? Yeah, it's in here. So you slide it, put it back like that, goes up. When you want to take it off, you push this little tab, push it like that with your finger and slide down. Comes off. Same with this one, it's a little tab, push it with the finger, slide it, come off. Okay. And then I'll show you how to replace the blades. Just a second. So you push these little tabs and then you slide it off. The old one. The new one, the refill. So slide it from here. Slide it all the way. Can you see? Slide in all the way. And on the top there's a little slot here. The slot, as we push in, it just gets stuck in there, in the slot. From this side you can see, on this side there's no slot, see, at the bottom. So the same way we get the other one, and push these little tabs there, take it out, good one. And sorry, and then we slide the same way how we did the other one. Slide on, slide all the way. So when you're sliding in, make sure this arm thing is running through this channel there, not sometime, no here, just right behind the rubber. And then at the top, sorry, I should have taken this off, but just cut this off. Okay, so now our rubber is in. We just need to cut it off. So what I do, normally I'll grab this, I'll cut it up to this one. Yeah. Okay. Cut it off. Yeah. Need a cutter. Yeah. Wow, they flied away. And go back like that. Yep. Yep. So that's the side. And then you slide back. Done. Get that down. Same way, this one here. Try to take the rubber off up to here. It's already a little cut. So all you do is just bend it and then break. See? Bend it and break. So that's it. Yep, done. Sorry, to be aligned. The coach who masterminded Argentina's first and only win for the All Blacks has resigned. It's done. Perfect. And then we do the same thing. Put it back up. There we go. Hold on. I'll quickly try to do it.
good?